Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video. My name is Kara, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC and get your EIN number in the state of Vermont. And you guys, this video is going to be like 5 minutes. By the end of it, you'll have your LLC filed. I've seen a ton of videos on YouTube that are really long and complicated, and I honestly have no idea what they're doing. This process is really easy if you follow along. So click the link in the description below. It's going to take you to the Taylor Brand's website. I'm going to do it on my computer at the same time you're doing it on yours, that we can just follow along. Again, so click that link below, and let's just get right into it. All right, so it's going to take you to the Taylor Brand's website, and we're going to click Vermont. And then you're going to type in your business name to see if it's available. So for me, I do eyelash extensions. So I'm going to type in my business. And we're just going to hit next. And then what stage are you currently in? Just click whatever best applies for you at the moment. And now you're going to click an industry that you fall into. So you may fall into a couple different categories, but just type in a letter of one that you think you might fall into. For me, I'm going to do eyelashes. So as I type in E, you can see so many options come up, and they get really specific. So just type something in that what category you fall into, and you'll more than likely find your industry. And then you're going to click if you sell either a physical good or a service. Or maybe you do both. So for me, I'm providing a service, but if I was selling a product, I could also click that option too. And are you planning to hire employees? I am not, but let's just say, you don't have employees, then you file your LLC, and then you decide you do want to hire employees. That's totally fine, and it's not going to affect or change your filing. So again, select where you're at the current moment. Now you're going to type in your zip code. And then where are you serving your customers? So you're either selling stuff online, at a shop or a store, or you're on the go. So like I mentioned, I'm mobile, I'm on the go doing lashes. But let's say I had a website too, and I'm selling something there, I can click online. And if you happen to have all three of these, feel free to click all three. Okay, and now what are you planning to do today? So make sure you click LLC, so that's highlighted in blue. And I also want you to click EIN. So your EIN is really important to have, and at some point down the line, you're going to need it. So it's basically like the social security number of your business, right? So you're gonna need it when you file your taxes, you're gonna need it if you open a business credit card or a business bank account. So it's just, like I said, at some point you will need this EIN number. And then if you wanted to select anything else here, Taylor Brands offers all this stuff. Maybe you need a logo made or a license for something. Feel free to click whatever else you need or go back in later to check them out. But for today, we're just clicking LLC and EIN. This is asking what we've done already. It's more or less a survey, so you can hit skip. And then you click, you discover Taylor Brands through YouTube. So click YouTube. And you guys, Taylor Brands is just offering a free 12-week business coaching program. I love this. I feel like it's free. Maybe I can learn something that helps me do better in my business. Why not? But if you want to pass on it, you always have that option. And now you're just going to type in your personal information. And then create a password. Okay, now this is just asking, would you like Taylor Brands to help you get your EIN number, or do you want to do it on your own? So if you decide to do it on your own, you can do it through the IRS website. The only thing is, like, the IRS website, in my opinion, it's not super easy to navigate. Honestly, it's like one more thing I have to do. And you can only file it during the weekdays, even though it's a website. They don't allow you to do it on weekends. So for me, I just feel like having Taylor Brands do it for me for $99 just saves me the hassle and the headache. And like I said, it's one less thing to worry about. So I'm going to have Taylor Brands do that for me for the $99. And as far as being a registered agent, essentially a registered agent is where are you getting your mail about your LLC, right? I know it sounds like something crazy, but it's really not. So if you're just starting your business and you live in Vermont, you are more than likely your own registered agent. And you can click this option here. Now, let's just say you don't live in the state, but you're opening an LLC in Vermont for maybe tax purposes, and your accountant may tell you that you need to appoint someone else. There are different situations for that. If you're really not sure, Taylor Brands can help you figure it out. It's $199. But like I said, you are more than likely your own registered agent if you live in the state, so you can just click this here. Are you sure? Yes. And every single year you need to renew your LLC. So if you don't, you'll have to pay a fine, you'll have to refile it, and it's a pain. So make sure you remember to renew it every single year. Now, if you think you might forget, Taylor Brands can do it for you. It's $199 a year, so it's a good option to have if you're busy and you'd just rather not worry about that. For me, I'm going to try to save a little bit of money, and I will do it on my own. And would you like this branding toolkit? I'm going to click no. Okay, and they can expedite your LLC to you in 2 days. It's $49. I feel like it's totally worth it. I want my LLC as fast as possible when I'm starting a business. But if you're not in a rush, you can always click this 2-week option. There's no extra charge, so that's totally up to you. But I'm going to click the 2 days for only $49. And you don't need to worry about an operating agreement, you guys. So click I'll figure it out myself. Would you like a formation kit? I'm going to click no. And this is an amazing thing they offer, to be honest. I really like that they have this here. So right now I have a small business, so I'm just going to manage my own books and invoices. But if you are planning to really grow your business, or maybe, you just want to get started on the right track, they offer a service where they can get all your books, your invoices, your finances super organized, so you know where every single thing is going. You're not going to lose any money. You're not going to miss out on any business. And you're going to be set up for expansion pretty much. So it's worth checking out if you're planning to grow your business. They give you a free trial. I don't know the cost at the end, but like I said, it's something you might want to look into, and they do have that free trial. So again, I'll just be selecting this option here. And yes, we want to get notified about our LLC status. Okay, and you guys, they have all these options. You can check out what they have, but I want to spend as little money as possible, right, when you're starting your business. So we only need this light plan for filing our LLC and EIN. And then now it's going to give us a breakdown of what we're paying for. So the Vermont state filing fee for an LLC is $125. That's just the mandated state filing fee. We're getting that free business coaching program. And then we're paying $49 for that 2-day expedited filing. Oops. We're not paying for this. And so today you'll only have to pay this amount down here. Once your LLC is filed, then they will charge you for the EIN number. So the LLC has to go through first, then the EIN number is created. All right. So now you're just going to enter your credit card information. Afterwards, they're going to ask you some information of where you want your LLC info sent and name, address, stuff like that. So really easy. Just make sure you complete the whole process. But you guys, you can see how fast and easy that was. No extra stuff. We just get right to the point. So I hope it made sense for you. But if you do have questions, feel free to leave them below in the comments. I'm more than happy to answer. And I wish you guys the best of luck in your business, and I will see you guys in the next one.